feel crowded. This work?
Perfect, go for it.
Hey, and welcome back to Rev Limited. Today we're doing the NSX oil change challenge thrown down by David Gardner on driver's therapy. Go and check his video out also to see if this is something you want to participate in. Today I have my lead mechanic here. This is Graham.
So what we're going to do, we're obviously going to do the lift method because we have access to a lift. So we're obviously not taking the wheel off. But I had an idea to David's challenge is what we'll do is I will put one hand behind my back. So with the car on the ground, we won't count the lift up or the lift down times. If I happen to use my left hand for any reason, we'll add a 5-second penalty and we won't subtract lift up, lift down. So it all counts. Once I take the oil filler cap off of the motor, start the stopwatch, we'll go up, do our business underneath, go back down, fill it, and that's it. Ready?
Let's do it. All right, so we got a timer. You tell me when you're ready.
Okay, yeah.
And go.
See, 17 millimeter, loosen and not tighten. I guess I could have done that ahead of time. That should be good enough. Easy does it. Drop that because that's where it needs to go. All right, we'll set that down for now. Charles had the shower curtain idea for this. Whoop. And I just messed it up. Oh well.
Maybe it'll still help a little bit.
Maybe. If not, it'll just be more cleaning time. Alright, now.
You can bare hand that sucker.
I'm gonna try to.
See if I can get a view of it.
We do have a tool ready. Ah, it came off.
Sweet.
Kiss my grits. Da, 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 da. What do we have? 3 quarts of oil in the engine? Da, 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 da. Alright, out you go, El Filtre.
Okay, filter out.
You sit there. Ah, the crush washer's not wanting to come off.
You had a problem with that too.
Oh, I got it. Is it already dry? No, not yet. Okay.
Got some rags here.
Alright, thanks. How do you wash your hands one-handed?
I don't know. Kind of feel like you're a Nia Montoya.
I swear. We do have to prime the filter as part of the rules, right?
Yes.
Okay. You're gonna hate me when we get under the hood. Do this if you want to take those filters off by hand like I just did, by the way. That's kind of the secret to that. Where'd the brake cleaner go?
It's right there.
Go ahead and get this ready for the next mishap.
It's gonna happen.
Yep. This is gonna be the fun part.
Probably get a light.
You know, a light would have been a good preparation. I've actually got it on. I've got it on.
Oh, you got a light on?
Yeah. No. I've got the filter on.
Okay.
This is the other way. A little over a half a turn. Get that on. Alright, so that is done.
Probably throw that plastic away now.
Yeah. Just go straight to the garbage with it.
Yep.
Well, that worked out perfect. We'll have to clean just a little bit. Since David cleaned, we will clean. Switch back over to Titan. I hate torquing these because they want to strip, but for purity's sake.
Here he goes.
Alright, what else we got under here? We got a little oil on the control arm there, which I have pre-soaked with brake cleaner. One little drip there, that's tight. That's good.
And the e-brake line. Make sure it's clean.
Apparently I'm in the mood for Mexican food or something. Alright, now get this out of the way.
Where we at?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's see.
How you gonna do this one-handed?
So now we just got to fill with a 5-quart jug, right?
That's right.
Okay.
Then we'll check it.
Do we have to rotate the tires or anything?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Maybe do a time belt.
We can try that one-handed on the next one. David, you're not the only one with the cool little funnel thing.
Yep, got it from your recommendation. It's very cool. Well worth the money.
Alright. Operation Don't Lose My Friendship with Charles.
Spill that.
This is the part I didn't think about either, having to pour one-handed. Yeah.
At least the funnel's not gonna fall out.
Alright, so we got jug in, funnel out, cap on, stopwatch, right?
Yep. Stopwatch is still stopwatching.
It better be. It's too expensive of an oil change to do a take two.
Spill any?
Nope. Get out of there. We had this car professionally detailed for 3 days. If you're wondering why I'm standing like I gotta pee first thing in the morning and I'm a little boy.
Uh-oh, you did spill a little bit right there on the top.
Where?
Right on the, where it says Honda on the engine.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh no.
Stop. That's it.
Alright. Official time, 8:20.
8:20. Ugh, it's terrible.
Terrible, Graham.
Good enough, good enough. Hey, but gauntlet thrown down. So if you've got to lift, one-handed, don't have to take the wheel off, but...
You don't even have to do it one-handed.
Yeah. Well...
That's where we're at, though. So.
You don't have to. So there we go, David.
So, guys, thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, come back for more. Appreciate it.
See what you got.